Want to see your Instagram password even if you forgot it? Here's the quick way on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, scroll down, and tap on Apps. Now scroll down and find Passwords, and tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on See Passwords. The phone will ask you to authenticate. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode so only you can access saved logins. Once you're in, use the search bar at the top and type Instagram, or scroll until you find the Instagram entry. Tap the Instagram result to open it. You'll see your username and a hidden password field. Just tap the hidden password to reveal it. From there, you can copy it or write it down. If you don't see Instagram in your saved passwords, that means it wasn't stored in that case. Open the Instagram app, tap Forgot Password on the login screen to reset it. Quick safety tip: don't reveal passwords while other people can see your screen. Lock your phone again when you're done. If this helped, please subscribe. It really helps me keep making quick, useful tech tips for you.